12 out of the mid now, 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 13, 12 out of the mid now, 13, 12 out of the mid now, 13,000, gonna do 13,000, now 13,500, 13 out of the mid now, 13,500, 13 out of the mid now, 13,500, 13,500, now 14,000, sir, right back to you, and 14,000, 14,000, 14,000, 14,000, now 14,500, 14 out of the mid now, 14,500, 14 out of the mid now, 15,000, it's up to you, sir.
This next lot is a Haas, lot number 286. This is a Vf-4Ss, really nice machine, year 2015, has a 4th axis ready. We'll go ahead and let you see everything cycle. Automatic tool changer. Spindle sounds great. See, it has the chip conveyor. Now, if you're looking for a Haas machine, this auction has an incredible amount of them. Take a look at all the different lots. There's a lot of different options in between them, different years. This is the year 2015, lot 286. Good luck. Hope you get a great deal.
95, you're at 9, don't raise your bid. Now 9,500, sure. 95 to the mid, now 95. Got it. Now 10,000. 10 to the mid, now 10,000. Give me 10. Now 10,5. 10 to the mid, 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 now 10,5.